What's up guys, Darrell here of Tech, and Realme launched yet another TWS headphones, and that is the Realme Buds Q. This TWS was exactly launched in China, but finally made its way here in the Philippines. But without any further ado, let's unbox this thing first. Now opening up the box, we are greeted with the Realme Buds Q. Inside the box where the Buds Q is situated, we will find the spare ear tips, the quick start guide, and a micro USB cable. Now checking out the Buds Q itself, we got a pebble-like design casing as well as the earbuds. There's a charging indicator up front and a micro USB port at the back. Realme branding on top and logos on the buds itself, which also acts as a touch-sensitive area that can trigger specific actions like double tap for pause, play, and answering calls, triple tap on the right bud to skip tracks, triple tap the left bud to go back to the previous track, and press and hold both earbuds for 2 seconds to activate game mode. But these aren't the only controls that the Buds Q has. If you are on iOS, unfortunately you can take advantage of these other controls since it is accessible through the Realme linked app, which is only available in Google Play Store. On the app, you can customize every action to your liking. Add a tap function to trigger voice assistant, activate gaming mode manually, which improves latency up to 119 milliseconds, and see your buds battery life, which is pretty handy. Now I dig the Buds Q's minimalist design aesthetics, although they are quite a bulge when you put it inside your pocket. It looks kinda awkward at times, especially for men when you have a pretty tight pocket because, you know. Meanwhile, the Buds Q is equipped with Bluetooth 5.0. That is why pairing these buds is relatively easy. You only have to open the buds case, put the buds in your ear, find the Realme Buds Q on your phone's Bluetooth settings, and you're good to go. Now, if you want to pair your Buds Q with your auto device, you only have to do is disconnect the Buds Q on the device where it is connected, then do the same pairing process. With its auto reconnect feature, reconnecting the Buds Q with your auto device is really easy as placing the buds in your ear, go to your phone, and play whatever content you want to listen to. Now, thanks to its 10mm large driver with a dynamic bass boost, the Realme Buds Q sounds incredible. There are plenty of highs and lows. Bass, on the other hand, is quite overwhelming, but the Realme Buds Q is an excellent sounding TWS. Now for battery, the Buds Q's charging case is equipped with 400 mAh battery, which in theory can provide 20 hours of power on a single charge. On my testing, each bud can provide up to 3 to 3.5 hours of music playback, which is pretty nice. Now the Realme Buds Q is available in 3 colors: white, black, and yellow. Now for pricing, it is yet to be announced, but we will put it in the description box below once it is available. Now considering how good the sound is, improved sound latency, and a pretty ergonomic and minimalist design, I really recommend you check out the Realme Buds Q. So what do you guys think about the Realme Buds Q? Is this your next TWS earphones? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit youtech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Darrell, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.